Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the fundamentals fast. Make sure you're on a stable network and not using VPN or proxy, because Microsoft blocks some sign-ins when those are present. Next, check for account outage indicators and gather your recovery options, alternate email, phone, authenticator details, and the exact device and time you last signed in. Once done, try signing into account. Microsoft.com so we can see the specific error message and continue with targeted fixes. Now you tackle the middle, more technical steps. If a browser error appears, clear cache and cookies or switch to Edge in private to rule out corrupted session data. If using the Microsoft Authenticator, sync phone time and, if needed, remove and re-add the account to refresh tokens. This resolves most multi-factor hiccups. Also confirm any pending security prompts or approvals on linked devices and reattempt sign-in so we can capture the next error state if it persists. Finish by performing definitive recovery actions. If credentials fail, initiate a password reset or complete the account recovery form with precise, recent information to prove ownership. On Windows, open Credential Manager and remove stale Microsoft entries, then reboot and attempt sign-in again. If problems continue, collect the exact error code, approximate time, and device details. Make sure to contact Microsoft support with these diagnostics so they can escalate. A key troubleshooting tip: try a different network and device to isolate account versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.